I need to know. This is spermatic cord.
Spermatic cord. Okay.
Yes, spermatic cord, and vas deferens is part of the spermatic cord.
Okay.
You see on this model, it's visible only on this part.
Okay.
Of the model. You see here, you don't see it.
Yeah.
Because spermatic cord has artery, vein, lymphatics, and plus it has a connective tissue coat. But vas deferens, now it's vas deferens by itself. If I point it over here, this is spermatic cord. But if I point it over here, this is vas deferens.
Vas deferens.
Vas deferens. Also, then vas deferens, when you take this model, always try to, doesn't matter which model, in this case, always try to find structure what you know.
Yes.
For example, here, this is sagittal cross-section. You see symphysis pubis, it means it's anterior. You see sacrum and rectum, it's posterior. Anterior, posterior. Now pay attention that vas deferens go posteriorly to the urinary bladder, and then I can put, for example, a structure like this, and I may ask you, identify this structure. It's still vas deferens.
Vas deferens.
Maybe here, maybe there. Still vas deferens. And
bless you.
Yeah, thank you. And terminal part of the vas deferens, terminal, you see, it's distended. It's more wider than this one.
Okay.
It's called ampulla.
Ampulla.
Ampulla, yes. And now inferior to the vas deferens, it's with seminal vesicle.
Seminal
vesicle. Then inferior to the urinary bladder, because this is urinary bladder, it's a piece of the urinary bladder. Inferior to the urinary bladder, we have prostate gland. Prostate gland could be shown outside, or it could be shown over here.
Okay.
It's also still prostate gland.
Okay.
And then when seminal vesicle and vas deferens unite, they form ejaculatory duct. You see ejaculatory duct.
Oh, okay.
Then from inside, this is ejaculatory, here, which structure we see here. This
is prostate gland.
Prostate gland, yes, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. It's, any of these pieces is prostate gland.
Okay.
Then prostatic urethra. Prostatic.
Urethra.
Urethra. Now not ureter, because this is
the ureter.
We have 2 ureters, but we have 1 urethra.
Okay.
TH, urethra. Prostatic urethra, bulbourethral gland, ejaculatory duct.
Okay.
Period. Okay, here. Then when we go to the this part or this, it's pretty much the same. And what we see here, this is this is spongy urethra. It means spongy urethra because we have small piece of membranous urethra over here, but I think membranous also this one.
Okay.
Then in area of penis you see spongy urethra. It means it's cross corpus spongiosum.
Okay.
Spongy urethra surrounded with corpus spongiosum. Anterior to the corpus spongiosum, it's the corpus cavernosum. Hello, professor. Yeah.
Cavernosum.
Caverna, because you see caverna. Corpus cavernosum.
Okay.
Then glans penis. This is prepus. This is prepus. This is testis.
Testes, yeah.
Testis. And this piece and this is epididymis. Epididymis. Scrotum. I think we mentioned everything because I'm not going to ask you
details inside.
Details. No.
Okay.
That's it. If you'd like, I can point and you can repeat if you'd like.
Yeah.
You okay with